What's up guys, this is Gerald, back again with another video on my 2020 Toyota RAV4 XSE Hybrid. If you guys have been watching my previous videos, you know that I've been blacking out my RAV4 parts or trims piece by piece, starting with the chrome emblems, rear center gray trim, and my rear tail lights. In this video, I'm going to review and show you how to install this really cool and unique smoke tint film on my 2020 RAV4 headlights, and I gotta tell you, they look really nice. This tint film is called the 2020 edition of the Bio Pulse Hex smoke tint film by VViVid. It has this hexagonal patterns on the film and this very unique broken holographic effects. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you a before and after comparison of how much light output is impacted after applying this smoke tint in my headlights. With that, let's get started. This is the tint film that we're going to use. This is called the 2020 edition Bio Pulse Hex by VViVid. As you can see, this is a light smoke tint and it has this hexagonal shape pattern with this broken holographic effect, which looks really cool. And in the back it has this VViVid XPO marking. This is the headlight of the 2020 RAV4, and as you can see, it's clear. I don't have any tint yet, and we're going to use this tint film to tint the headlight. tinted one of the headlights. As you can see, I tinted the driver's side, but I'm gonna move on to the passenger side next. I just want to quickly show you what it looks like before and after. As you can see, this is what it looks like before, just regular clear headlights, and this is what it looks like after applying that light smoke tint. As you can see, it looks really nice. You still can see that hexagonal pattern and that broken holographic effect, which looks really cool. Alright, let's move on to the next one. Alright guys, the passenger side is pretty much done and I'm ready to start cutting. But before I do that, I just want to show you what I noticed is that at night when you put a light on this film, you can really see this holographic effect, which looks really nice. Before we start the cut, just remember to tuck in or push the film into the edge. I'm using this handy tool right here, and what you want to do, you want to go over all the edges and push or tuck in the film to be inside the edge, so that way when you cut, it's going to be inside and you don't see the film. Alright guys, I'm finally done installing the smoke tint in both headlights, and this is the latest one that I just installed on the passenger side. It's dark outside now and I used a work light, and like I told you before, when you shine a light on this film, it looks amazing. You can really see the rainbow effect, this holographic effect on the film. It looks really nice. But there you go guys, this is the final result. I'm pretty happy with the result considering this is my very first time. I was able to apply the film on all the edges fairly well, and the final result looks amazing.